Making the finger yoke is based on the digit repaired. Here again, you want 15 to 20 degrees more extension. So, in the photograph on the left, the index and the small. If the index has the injury, or if the small finger has the injury, both of these digits are placed in more extension than the middle and ring fingers. And this is indicated in the research for balance of the yoke. It's pretty clear in the photograph on the right, if it's the long finger or the middle finger alone, all of the other digits are placed in more flexion than the middle finger. In some studies, the ring finger, they include the middle finger in more extension, and others they don't. And so this is an area that's still a little bit gray.